Hello guys, welcome to Blacksmith Mechatronic. And what you see here, this is CNC. This is a computer numerical control where it runs from, I'm running from this software. Oh, so when I click play, that, machine will execute, will do what is necessary. So it will draw this one. You see, this is a sample which I'm running here, and before it is complete, let's have a tour. So here is where we do with flex dog and making flex dog flex stand, yeah, such kind related. Actually, that is my first product. So here is for software purposes. Those are my shelf and tools and whatever. Yeah, this is how it is running, but it's quite actually even misbehaving. I don't understand. Wait a minute. Okay,